Hey friends, if you wish to fix blue screen of death error with the error code 0x135 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to disconnect all peripherals like printers, scanners and cameras. But why? This is because these devices will push their own drivers to the system when being connected, and that will interfere with the existing drivers on the system, especially the case with printers. And to counter that, we can use this. The next one is to update all the drivers. And how will you update all the drivers? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab, select advanced options, select optional updates and update all the drivers from here. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Now type the command sfc space forward slash scan now. Okay, sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last solution is a checked scan. So how would you perform a checked scan? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.